In today's video, I finally found the perfect controller settings you need to start using. These settings will give you aimbot so you won't miss any shots, and will help optimize your Fortnite for the lowest delay possible. And these settings work for all controller players, Xbox and PlayStation. So be sure to stick around until the end of the video for the settings. As always, make sure to like and subscribe and use code Gloomzy. 100, 200. Come here, boy. Full box. 200. Full box. Dead. $200. $200. Dead. Thank you. What is he doing? 200. Oh, he's whited. Come here, boy. Is he landing here? Dead. This guy's on simple edit. He boogie bombed himself. Get out. Sorted. GG's. $200. Let's go. So jumping right into the settings for the first page, I play on full screen, 1920 by 1080 native resolution for the least amount of delay. I have VSync turned off for even less delay. For frame rate limit, I play on 240 FPS, but use whatever your monitor supports. My rendering mode's on performance mode for even less delay. Moving down here for the graphics, I have my brightness on 115%, but if you're on console, you have shadows, make this 150%. Otherwise, if you're on PC, you can turn off shadows and have this lowered. For user interface contrast, this is for the menu, so this really doesn't matter. Colorblind mode off, colorblind strength at 10. And for user interface parallax, this is for the item shop, so this doesn't matter either. Now for graphics quality, I have 3D resolution set at 100%, view distance and textures both on epic. And for meshes, I prefer playing on high meshes, but if you want less delay, you can play on low meshes. Now moving to the audio settings, the important audios are the main and sound effects volumes. Everything else really doesn't matter. But if you scroll down here, make sure you have sound quality on high, 3D headphones turned on, and make sure you have visualized sound effects also turned on. Now moving on to the next page, a secret tip to lower input delay. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, make sure you have all the replays turned off. Having your console or PC save every single game you play in the replays adds a lot of delay, so make sure these are all turned off. record replays, record large team replays, record creative replays, and even record high quality replays. Now for the building settings, if you want less delay when you build, make sure you have reset building choice and turbo building both turned on. And for the editing settings, whether you play on simple edit or not, if you play on simple edit, make sure you have tap to simple edit turned on for faster edits. Otherwise, if you have it turned off, make sure you have disable pre-edit option turned on, and make sure you have auto confirm edits set at both. This makes your reset and edit extremely quick if you don't play in simple edit. And for my combat settings, I play on preferred item slots, and this is what I'm using. I have my shotgun in my first slot, SMG in the second. These two are unassigned, and then I have my AR in the final slot. For my movement settings, I have all these turned on. I move on to my reticle settings. I have reticle turned on, reticle ammo indicator off, show spread turned on, and show recoil turned off. I have pull reticle turned on, damage numbers on cumulative, and reticle damage feedback on hit only. My damage number scale is set at 125%. My HUD set at 75% with these options turned on. Now another secret tip to lower input delay, if you go into the for the gyro options, make sure all the gyro options are turned off if you don't use them. Having the game save all these extra settings adds a lot of delay, so make sure these are all turned off. And the same thing applies for the keyboard and mouse sensitivity and binds. If you don't use them, make sure these are all turned off. Now moving on to the controller settings, make sure you have controller auto run turned on, build immediately, builder pro on for less delay when you build. Edit hold time or simple edit hold time, make sure these are both turned down to the lowest number possible for faster edits. Slide hold time's preference, but mine's at 0.25. I don't touch my camera options, and make sure you have vibration turned off. Now for the updated controller sensitivity, I play at look and aim sensitivity of 4. My build and edit mode sensitivity multiplier are both at 2.1. First person mode's at 1.12, and I have advanced options turned on. Moving down here for the advanced look sensitivity, my look horizontal and vertical speed are both at 43%. I don't have any boost turned on. I think it makes you more inconsistent if you're not used to it. So I have no turning horizontal boost, no turning vertical boost, no turning boost ramp time, and also no instant boost when building. And moving down here for the ADS sensitivity, my ADS look horizontal and vertical speed are both at 12%. And just like the look sensitivity, I don't have any ADS boost as well. So no ADS turning horizontal boost, no ADS turning vertical boost, and no ADS turning boost ramp time. For scope speed multiplier, this is set at 0.95. Now down here for the look and dampening time, if you want more responsiveness in your right stick, make sure this is at 0 seconds. I play on linear for my look input curve. I have precision and tracking aim assist both at 100%. And I have my left and right stick dead zone both at 10%. I'm going to the final page for the controller bind, so I'm going too fast, you guys can pause the video. But that is going to be the end of the video. If you guys made it here, make sure you comment down below 500k in the comments so I really know who made it to the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.